بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your English class. Let's start our studies. Okay, my dear students, all of you open page 6 in your English books. Hurry up. All of you open page 6. Okay, dear students, on page 6, you are having vocabulary, and this is question 2. Exercise 2, fill in the blanks with A or N. Fill in the blanks with A or N. A or N articles. Okay, students, what you have to do, you have to fill all these blanks using A or N. Okay, students, in the previous class, you have studied that A is used with the consonant sounds. A is used with the consonant sounds and N is used with the vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. When there is A, E, I, O, U, you have to use N. But you will use N. And when there is a consonant sound, you will use A. Okay, students, let's start our exercise. Part A. Part A is my father is principal. Principal. My father is principal. So what do you think? A principal and principal. My father is a principal and principal. Very good. My father is a principal because P is a consonant and this is a consonant sound. So there will be A. My father is a principal. Very good. Dear students, you have to grab your pencils and you have to complete your work while you are watching this video lecture. Okay? Start writing with me. Hurry up. Like your teacher has written over here, you can see. My father is a principal. A principal. Because P is a consonant, so there will be a. My father is a principal. And moving towards B part. B part is, this is blank English book. What? What is the correct answer? This is a English book or an English book? Tell me, students. Very good. This is an English book. And this is an English book. How we will read this sentence? This is an English book. Because E is vowel. Vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Yes, E is vowel. So we will write N over here. Hurry up, write with me, all of you. Okay, dear students, can you see your teacher has written the correct answer? This is an English book. Very good. This is an English book. Now moving towards part C. I have a blank computer. I have computer. So, which one is the correct one? A or N? A or N? I have a computer? Yes, very good, excellent. The correct answer is A. I have a computer. I have a computer. Start writing with me. Yes, very good. You can see your teacher has also written the answer. And are you doing with me, students? Very good. You have to complete this exercise with your teacher while you're watching this video. And the answer is I have a computer. I have a computer. Very good. Now moving towards part D. She likes to eat blank omelette. She likes to eat omelette. So which one is the correct answer? A or N? A or N? She likes to eat an omelette. Very good. N is the correct answer because there is a vowel. As you can see, this was a consonant, and before the consonant we will use A, and before the vowel sound we will use N. She likes to eat an omelette. She likes to eat an omelette. Start writing with me, students. Very good. Your teacher has written the answer, and are you writing with me, students? She likes to eat an omelette. Omelette. She likes to eat an omelette. Very good. Now moving towards the last one. Okay, students, part E is, this is part E, and part E is I have blank friend. I have friend. Which one is the correct answer? A or N? A or N? Because this is a consonant, so before the consonant sound, we will use a. I have a friend. I have a friend. Very good, students. Now you can see your teacher has written the answer. I have a friend. I have a friend. Very good. Now let's recall this exercise. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Part A is my father is a principal. This is an English book. This is an English book. N. I have a computer. I have a computer. She likes to eat an omelette. She likes to eat an omelette. N. I have a friend. I have a friend. Very good. I hope, students, you are enjoying your class. Now, as you all know that we have completed this exercise. So now this is your homework time. Okay, dear students, now this is your homework time, and your homework is complete exercise 2 on page 6. Complete exercise 2 on page 6. Okay, students, what you have to do, you have to complete this exercise in which you will use A or N, and then you have to take the picture of your page and share your homework in your WhatsApp group. Okay, dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Take care, dear students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما